Another one. Not a tram.
Okay, don't you worry. It's not because I'm in the wrong, yeah? It's because they're making us look like we are in the wrong, but they're in the wrong. They're gonna have to pay it, not us. You're gonna start quiet if I've asked you how much of the tax you paying out of your wages, right? You're gonna start crying. I don't want to make you cry. But yeah, you realize where I'm coming from. How much of the tax do you pay out of your wages, sir? I think it's enough, isn't it? So we should be traveling for free, considering how much of the tax we're paying for the system. And they also part of the system. We're part of the system. We're contributing a lot. To whom? Them. For them to get richer and richer. And they still ripping us all off because of these things. They calling it theft. What about those guys above us? So those are the real things. It's frustrating. And you try to explain, but obviously because they're working for that particular company, yeah, controlled by them, they won't be able to understand. But they also pay, and that's really the most ridiculous thing. They also paying enough tax for them to go out protesting. But they don't do it.
I don't know what.
I need to maintain. I need to protect my job. Yeah, but that's not the proper job, is it? A proper job for us to do is just to go and fight them.
Yeah, I don't know why I need cops for bloody tram.
Yeah, exactly. You ask them.
There was 4 cops down there, 4 cop cars down there earlier. I don't know what that was about.
Yeah, it might have been a crime committed over there near that shop. Yeah, I've seen that. They're just wasting their time. They're wasting their time. They're wasting our time. It is what it is, my friend.
I've seen about 12 tram people here and 2 cops catching probably 1 or 2 fare dodgers. Don't seem very economical for the net to pay you to stand here catching someone that's not paid £2 something or whatever,
Exactly.
when they're paying you £100 odd to stand here.
It's pity though, it's pity. Yeah? They're gonna have to realize what they're doing.
Oh, someone's having some fun.
He was about to call the police to take me into police custody.
What, for not
The gentleman there, yeah.
for not having your
Me. I was trying to go, yeah.
Hey,
He grabbed hold of me. He's
stop
calling
me a
the police
second. I
station
need to
in
talk
an
to
attempt
him.
to call the
Yeah,
brigade
yeah.
to
want
take
to come
me.
here?
Sorry, ma'am, I was right in here. I can't
Yeah,
come here
just
again.
okay.
I can't.
So,
I
I'm
was
just
staying
going to ask
here.
you again.
Yeah.
This address you gave me, is it the correct address?
Yes, there is. Yeah. There is. Yeah.
So can I ask you, what's the punishment then for not paying your fine? You just have to pay it, don't you?
You have 22 days to pay it. If you don't, and you miss the 22-day window, it can go to court and it can go up to £1,000.
So good time. Right, the reason I was asking is because he's got your
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So you're gonna release that.
Yeah,
You happy with it? You happy, guys? What you done so
Yeah.
far? Yeah.
Here
You're
we are.
very happy, yeah. Very accomplished. You're
Look,
gonna sleep at night tonight. You're
listen.
gonna sleep well.
Listen,
Sleep tight. Yeah.
Cyprian, we're doing
Sleep
our job.
tight, thinking that you've
At the
done a
end,
good
at
job
the end of
today.
the day, mate, we're doing our job, okay?
Yeah.
You've taken the service, you haven't paid for it, and this is the consequences of it, okay? End of the day.
Yes.
Right, this is where we are. That's where you got on. This is where you're going to, because you wouldn't tell me where you were going to. So as far as
I've told you that I'm going towards Flip.
you said told. Yeah, but I need a stop for me to put down where you're going to. So where are you going to?
All I can
Good method
see
of
is,
transport, that, mate.
Right. So this is your name. This is where you live.
Me?
I'm
Yeah.
going to take your previous address as well.
Is it what?
I said it's a good method of transport.
I've never been on the tram, but
So
Have you not?
that's the
No.
payment. You can pay online.
Well, as long
pay
as you
over the
pay,
phone,
it's
you can
it's
pay
quite
in person.
enjoyable.
However, like you're saying, you haven't
don't
got
have
the money
trams
to
where I
pay
live.
for it. That number's there.
in the past I've seen like say 12 of the net people, a couple of the cops, and I don't know how many don't pay or whatever, but surely that's not economical. I know you're meant to pay, but surely it takes just one of you to capture them or
Because
something.
you get people like this that are obstructive, and you get a lot of that are violent and abusive. So
Give
it's
them that. And they'll break it.
Was that a robbery down there then?
your buddy.
Was that a robbery down there then?
I don't know what it were, mate. I don't know. There's nothing to do with those 2 cars went that way about 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, there was like 4 cops.
Was it 4?
At least I can get on the tram, the next tram. I will take you back home.
We sorted.
We're sorted.
I've got nothing again. I've got nothing.
I can't, sir. I'm not allowed to. We're not allowed to.
But
I
he's
te-
allowed to
I-
grab hold of me, but he's not allowed to shake my hand, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I-
He's allowed to
well,
grab
yeah,
hold of me
yeah.
like that, yeah? But
Yeah.
what if I grab hold of him like that? You know what he's gonna say? You've offended the police or whatever, you've
Yeah.
aggravated whatever, yeah?
Yeah.
Assaulted. You're assaulting the police. But if I say that I've been assaulted, yeah?
Hey, what are you going to do about these?
It's not bad. they want to meet it though. They want to meet. They want to
Yeah,
meet.
I'd leave it, mate.
Yeah, I will leave it, man. It's pointless to argue with them.
Yeah, I've been filming, mate. Is it alright if I put it on YouTube? I can block you out or whatever.
Put it, man. You're gonna put it anyway.
Oh no, I'll block you out. I'll block you out.
Yeah.
I just the interaction and all that.
Just to ridicule them,
Yeah. Make sure you pay your fare. The cop's on the next stop.